kindergarten, and welcome to another math lesson. We have been exploring the world of measurement by learning about length and height using vocabulary words longer than, shorter than, taller than, shorter than, and today we're going to wrap up height and length by comparing objects to our linking cubes and finding the same as. So here we go. Our math thinking job today is I can compare length the same as. So we're going to be comparing the linking cube sticks to objects, and we're going to see if they're the same as. Remember, the word same means if I have an orange star in this hand and I have an orange star in this hand, they're the exact same. Let's look at these linking cube sticks. What do I need to do first to find out the length of these linking cubes? I need to count them. So your teacher's going to pause the video and you're going to count this linking stick and this linking stick. And you're going to decide the length. Is it longer than, shorter than, or is it the same? After counting these cube sticks, you probably noticed there were 9 cubes in this stick and 9 cubes in this stick. That means these cube sticks are the same. We can compare these sticks as the same. They might not be colored the same or positioned the same, but they have the same number of cubes, which makes their length the same. Let's take a look at these cube sticks. These look a little different than the ones we just saw. Your teacher is going to pause the video and you guys are going to count the cubes in each stick and decide, are these sticks the same? First, let's count the cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is an 8 stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is an 8 stick. Although one is straight, standing up tall, and the other one is at a little slant, we know that they both have 8 cubes in each stick, which means that they are the same length. We can compare these two sticks as the same. Let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have a 7 stick, and this is a different color. Your teacher's going to pause the video and find out, is this the same as my 7 stick? I'm sure you were able to count these cubes and find out that this is a 7 stick too. Just because we changed the color doesn't change the length of these sticks. They're both 7 sticks, which means they're the same length. At these two books, we need to decide which book is the same as our 5 stick. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you guys are going to talk about which book is the same as our 5 stick. Did you decide on the open book? You're right. The open book is the same length as the 5 stick. We can see that the endpoints match up and we can count the cubes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, we did this work yesterday using our cube sticks to help us measure how many cubes are an object. We can see that this open book is 5 cubes. If we come over here to this closed book, we can see it's only 2 cubes, which means this one is not the same as our 5 stick. Let's look at these notebooks. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you guys are going to compare this 6 stick to the notebook and find out which one is the same as. Did you say the green notebook? You're right. The green notebook is exactly 6 cubes long, which means the notebook is the same as our 6 stick. I noticed this blue one is only 1, 2, 3, which makes it shorter than our 6 stick, and we're looking for the same as. Let's Let's take a look at these fancy sunglasses I have. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you're going to find the sunglasses that are the same as our 7-stick. Did you say the blue sunglasses? You're right. You probably said they're the same as the 7-stick. As you can see, the endpoints match up and you can count the cubes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to match the same length as the blue sunglasses. These strawberry sunglasses are not evenly matched up to the cubes, and I can tell that they're shorter than this 7-stick. This is interesting. I have a 1-stick and a 4-stick. If I were to put the 1-stick end to end with the 4-stick, which one of these sticks would be the same as? If I were to put the 1-stick end to end with the 4-stick, which one would this be the same as? This stick or this stick? Your teacher's going to pause the video. You guys are going to count the cubes in each of the sticks at the bottom and then decide which one would this stick be the same as if you put end to end together. If I were to be able to pick up this 1-stick and put it with the 4-stick, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would have a 5-stick because I can count these cubes together to find out what the stick would be. I have a 5-stick. If I went down to these sticks and counted, I know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6-stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5-stick. By counting each cube stick, I know that this is a 5-stick, and I counted this as a 5-stick. That means this 5-stick is the same as this 5-stick. Remember, always count the cubes. All right, here is a cube stick. This is a 5-cube stick. I'm going to color this cube stick. I'm going to color 4 of them red and 1 of them blue. How many cubes did I color? And is the stick the same as the gray one? Your teacher's going to pause the video. You're going to count how many cubes I colored, and you're going to answer the question, is the stick the same as my gray one? Although I used 2 colors, I still colored 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I go up to my gray one and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I have a 5-stick in the gray and a 5-stick in the colored. That means these sticks are the same as. In Seesaw today, you're going to continue this work by looking at the 5-stick, coloring some cubes red, some cubes green, and then you're going to count how many cubes you colored. You're going to decide, are they the same length as the gray stick? And then you are going to be drawing something that's the same length as a 6-stick. Until next time, bye, Kipsters.